Hi, this is Dennis Orcutt with MarineMax. Today we're going to look at a 2020 230 SLX by Sea Ray. I first want to bring to your attention the new quantum blue hull color. Fantastic looking boat. As we go around to the propulsion in the back of this boat, you'll notice we have a Bravo 3 with stainless steel counter-rotating propellers. Entering on the stern of the boat, you'll notice we have a full sun pad back here, sea deck. We have a submersible swim platform. Makes entering and exiting the boat for water sports really nice. We have a lower tow eye back here also. For 2020, this is also the new stone gray interior on this boat. Note we have a nice big sun pad in the back. We have a 12-volt accessory, lots of cup holders. As we go into this boat, you'll notice we have a self-bailing built-in cooler in the walkway. Nice hatch here for your battery switches. Nice easy access for this. This boat comes with an electric hatch on the SLX as well. Entering the boat, we have plenty of wraparound seating here. We have a mount for a table. We have a built-in cooler at midships. We have a ski locker at midships. We also have double baluster seats that flip fore and aft. They can act as loungers or co-captain's chair. Captain's chair is bolster as well. This boat comes equipped with two 12-inch Simrads with vessel view, all touch screen. Your bilge controls over here with your horn. Also, your analog controls for your lights here also. Fusion stereo is also controlled through the Simrad. All of these features can be controlled through your Simrad on this boat as well. Nice big self-bailing leather glove box. This boat does come equipped with a windscreen that is nice for those nice cool mornings that you can shut this off, shut the window, keeps the cool morning air coming through the boat. Up front, we've got plenty of storage on this boat. Cup holders. This boat also comes with accent lighting that's around all of the seating area. Nice double stitching in the bulwarks. If you think this is a boat that might work for your family, my name's Dennis Orcutt, MarineMax Lake Wylie. Give us a call, 803-831-2101. Thanks for watching.